everyone. Our today's question is leetcode 1984, in which we are given an array nums where each element of nums represents the score of a student, and we are also given an integer k. So what we have to do is we have to pick scores of any k students and then find the difference between the highest and the lowest of that k scores that we have picked, and we have to minimize that difference. So right, let's see some examples. Suppose here only one student is there, so minimum will be 90 and maximum will be 90. So it will be 0. In next case, here nums is 9417 and k is equal to 2. So we have to pick two students at a time, and we have to take difference between the maximum and minimum, and at the end we have to return the possible minimum difference that we can achieve. So suppose first I'll pick 9 and 4, so difference is 5, so it's too much. Then I pick suppose 4 and 1, so its difference is 3, but it's less than 5, so we update it. Suppose next I pick 9 and 1, difference is 8, it's greater than 3, so we'll ignore this one. Then suppose I'll pick 9 and 7, so difference is 2, so 2 is less than 3, so our answer will be overall 2. So if you'll see the constraint length, it is the nums length can be up to 1000. So what can be our brute force approach? So brute force approach can be like we will be taking all the possible combinations of size k, and then out of those combinations we will be finding their max and minimum and then take the difference. But the thing is that finding all the possible combinations will be taking very much time and it will be very slow. So this won't be a good approach. So what can we do? So as the question stated that we have to minimize the difference of the maximum and the minimum in the k students. So what we do is, what first of all we'll pick the students, pick the first k students who has lowest marks, right? And then take difference of first and last, and then add a new student and remove the first, and again take the difference and add next and remove, and we keep on doing. So picking in order of their marks means we have to sort the students according to their marks, and adding and removing from a group of students, so it is sliding window. So if you'll see, our approach is sorting plus sliding window. So if you'll see the code, so first of all we'll sort the array, and then we use an answer to store the minimum difference, and then we move to each student using a loop, and then uh, what we are taking, num of I plus k minus 1 means the last student of the window of size k minus the current student, and if this answer is less than the answer that we have up to now, then we will be storing it. Let's see this with an example. Suppose we have 9417 and k is equal to 2, so after sorting it will become 1479 and k is equal to 2. So window size is from I to I plus k minus 1. Suppose I is equal to 0, means our element I is at 1, so 0 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So no, difference of nums of 1 and nums of 0, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. If then we move to I is equal to 1, then difference of 7 4 is also 3. Move to the next pointer, that is I is equal to 2, difference of 9 7 is 2. So if you'll see, the overall minimum is 2. So this is the like easy question. I hope you liked it, and please make sure to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you, that's it.